Today we're looking at a Thetford 12 volt fridge. This works off your leisure battery. It does not work off the mains or the gas, it's just off the leisure battery. So to turn it on is the bottom button, press and hold that. A blue light will come on and that is now on. The next one up is a nighttime mode. That makes it quieter. And then the top one is your temperature. The bigger the bubbles, the colder it is. And to turn it off, you just press and hold the bottom button again, and that turns it off. Inside the fridge door, we have a blue clip. If we flick that one across, that allows your door to be on a breather when you're not using the fridge. If we flip that one back across, that allows your door to fully close when you're using it.